Hello and welcome to Selection Sathi. Today we will learn Python error handling, try except blocks, common exceptions, custom exceptions, and best practices. Proper error handling separates beginner code from production quality code. The try except is finally structure. Code that might fail goes in the try block. Except catches specific exceptions like except ValueError. Else runs only if no exception was raised, put success code here. Finally always runs, whether there was an error or not, perfect for cleanup. Let's know the common exceptions. ValueError occurs when a function gets the right type but wrong value like int of ABC. TypeError when you mix incompatible types like string plus integer. KeyError when you access a missing dictionary key. IndexError when you go beyond a list's bounds. You can raise exceptions explicitly using the raise keyword. Raise ValueError with a message throws the error immediately. For custom exceptions, create a class that inherits from exception. Add an __init__ method for custom messages. Raise without arguments inside an except block re-raises the current exception. Understanding the exception hierarchy. BaseException is at the top. It includes keyboard interrupt and system exit. Exception is for regular program errors, always inherit from this, not BaseException. Except exception catches most errors but lets system exits through. Always put more specific except blocks before general ones. A safe division function. Definite safe_div a, b. In the try block, return a divided by b except 0 division error returns a friendly message. Safe_div 10 0 gives cannot divide by 0 instead of crashing. Multiple except blocks for different errors. Try to convert value to int. Except ValueError handles bad strings like ABC. Except TypeError handles wrong types like none. Int of ABC triggers ValueError. Int of none triggers TypeError. Each handled separately with its own message. Creating a custom exception. Class insufficient finds error extends exception. __init__ takes balance and amount, calls super with a formatted message. Now when a withdrawal exceeds the balance, raise insufficient finds error with the balance and amount. The error message is need 200, have 100. Using finally for cleanup. We connect to a database, then try to execute a query. If it fails, the except block logs the error. The finally block runs regardless and closes the connection. This ensures resources are always released, even on errors. Key tips for error handling. Never use bare except, always specify the exception type. More specific except blocks should come before general ones. Use the else block for success-only code. Finally is your guarantee for cleanup, files, connections, and locks. For more concept videos like this, download the Selection Sathi app. Like and subscribe. Thank you.